Hi guys, welcome to my channel and sa my live. Ayan na, live na naman si Inday. So welcome po, welcome and anyone pwede mag-join. Let's be friends. Yes, welcome to my 2 million viewers and welcome to my LS and thank you so much. LS with pretty smile. Thank you so much sa pagbisita sa aking tahanan. Beautiful eyes. Oh my God. Nagpapapop yung mga. Wait, I will share. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the support always. Always. Anyone can join and drop the link. And let's be spread the love. And thank you guys for 3 million viewers. Think positive 3 million. OMG. Salam. Connect. Connect. Connect, guys. Connect. Beautiful eyes. And thank you so much for the thumbs up. Salamat sa pa-thumbs up, guys. Thumbs up lang, masaya na si host. Host. beautiful lives. And eyes. Thanks so much for my 5 thumbs up. Salamat sa 5 pa-thumbs up niyo, guys. So much appreciated. Yes, yes. Thanks so much for my 5 thumbs up. Salamat sa 5 pa-thumbs up niyo, guys. So much appreciated. Yes, yes. Thanks so much for my 5 thumbs up. Salamat sa 5 pa-thumbs up niyo, guys. Pinanood yung sarili. Ang kulit. Oh my God. Wait. Beautiful lives. Beautiful lives. Silent. I can... Oh my God. Ano, ayun. Oh my God. Beautiful eyes. Oh. Mm, 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 mm. It's beautiful eyes. Thank you so much for the thumbs up. Salamat sa patamsak, guys. Hello, hello. Ang hirap ng connection talaga. Oh. Kanta. Anong kanta ang kakantahin ko? Ikaw ang binibini na ninanais ko. Request. Request song. Mag-play na lang ako ng kanta para matuwa naman kayo. Iyay. Wait. Sing a song. Kanta-kanta. Mga music lover. Kanta ka naman po. Ayan na, ayan na. Kanta yan, kanta. Wait. Tumakai. Hello, hello. Generous is my niece also. Jealous sister. Ang may-ari ng damdamin ng minamahal ko. Yan. Kisabi na lang na wag nang mag-alala, okay lang ako. Parang tangan, kausap ang tala at buwan. Yes, beautiful stars. Hintay na meron sa gitna ng kawalan. Oh. Akala ko'y habang nagsasalita daw ako mag-isa. Akala ko'y jealous with this. Hindi ako marah. Kay Bathala sana ay hindi siya haba. Kapag naalala ko ang mga araw na magkasama tayong dalawa, hindi you share on FB group. Not I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Like nothing else
Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Hello, Bo. Naimod. Nina?
May lakad ka ba mamaya? Pwede ka ba makasama sa paggagala? Kung sakaling di ka pwede sa bagay, meron din akong ginagawa. Siguro nga napapaisip ka, ba't ako nangangamusta? Ilang araw ka na naroon sa panaginip ko, nag-aalala lang ako baka saan ka mapunta. Pero mukhang ayos ka naman, pinagkakaabalahin pa. Bilang naman namin pa bang dapat para patago kang mag-alala sa'kin habang pinapantasya, lamang nila ay mascara mo sa gabi at kitaka mo sa umaga. Doon ka sa likod ng kolorete, pag inangangahulugan sa salitang paraiso para sa'kin. Ba't kaya ko pa din kinikilala ang iyong pagtawa? Kahit nasa puso man ay nandusay na natin ang kasya. Dati pa ako pinagdamutan ng kapalaran, kaya di na bago sa'kin mawalan ng pag-asa. Pag ganun naman tawagan mo na lang ulit ako kapag hindi na kayo magkasama. Ay, nakita kong isang babae, hindi ko malimutan ang kanyang imahe. Ano ba ang iyong pangalan noong nakita kita? Ako'y di mapakali, gustong mahawakan ang iyong mama.
Salamat.
Ngayon, hindi mapalagay, sana ikaw ay makasabay. At nang malaman ko,
Wait. Oh my God, thank you so much, Lulu Flor, for joining my LS. Thank you so much. Oh my God, I'm so happy you joining my LS. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mom. Talagang Pilipina, yeah. Ingatan mo siya. Naniwala niya ako dahil sa'yo. Wala namang saysay pagmamahal na kahit tagal ko ding hindi. Thank you so much for my 4 million viewers. Salamat sa patamsak, guys. Thank you so much. Connect. Thank you, guys. Salamat po. Maraming salamat. At thanks all. 4 million viewers. 8 thumbs up, yeah. Thank you so much for the 4 million viewers, 3 million viewers. Thank you so much. Where are 2K from Michael? Haha. Yes. I wonder why. I don't know why. What an amazing 2K. Amazing. Wish I'm like that. I'm like viewers 2K, but 2 million. It's okay, but I have a 2 million. Oh my god. Yeah, it's okay. But I have now 3 million. 3 million viewers. Ingatan mo siya. Oh my god, my god. Yes, just 47 and it's so weird. Sometimes a whitey is weird. Weird like me is weird. So weird. For the true 2K, yes. Oh my god. I I don't know what happened. Whitey
Wow
world.
now.
So
Ain't
weird.
no past.
So amazing, but it's so weird.
Could have taken for this lifestyle. I had a girl, you had a man. That was long ago. Evolving daily, please don't judge me off a song ago. I know you ain't gonna wait forever. I know that it's
Keep
gonna
in
take
touch and spread the
forever.
love. Stay positive. Cheryl Gakusan. Hello, hello. Welcome to my LA, Cheryl Gakusan. And thank you so much for the thumbs up.
Ikaw na.
Salamat po. Thank you so much for the thumbs up. You can drop your link, Miss Cheryl Gakusan, and you can connect Nourish by Music. And bakit ba ako nag-English? Tagalog lang to si Cheryl. Salamat Cheryl sa patamsak. Guys, thank you so much. Daan lang. Daan lang ako. Sige, salamat sa padaan, Ma'am Cheryl. Salamat. Salamat, Sisi, so much. Yes, yes. Salamat sa 10 thumbs up. Thank you so much. Salamat sa patamsak mo, guys. Ayan. So, ayan. Thank you so much. Connect. Keep in touch and spread the love. Spread the love. Ingatan mo siya. Thank you so much for my 5 million viewers and thank you so much sa pagpunta sa aking tahanan, sa aking tahanan. Sana wag umulan, dapat tumulo. Ayan. Thank you sa aking 5 million viewers. 5 million. Cheryl Gakusen, I give thumbs up to your birthday video. Salamat Nourish by Music. Mercy Nourish by Music. To connect Cheryl Gakusen, connect and love each other. Magmahalan kayo. Magmahalan tayo. Spread the love. Cheryl Gakusen. Wow, salamat sa thumbs up. Salamat. Cheryl Gakusan to Nourish by Music. She said, thanks for your thumbs up. So, thank you so much for the thumbs up. Yes. Salamat talaga. Taga saan ka sis? Nandito ako ngayon sa Bicol. I'm a Bicolana. Nourish by Music. Salamat talaga. Yes. Really give you. Thanks to you so much. So much supportive. Always. Salamat akat Tokayo Cheryl Gakusan. Salamat sa pagpunta and sa patamsak and patambay sa padaan. Sana all. Okay, I see. Thank you so much. Thanks for the 4 million viewers. 4 million. Yes. I found love. Nahinto yung music. Piplay tayo ng music para hindi naman kayo mainip. Ayan. Ako dahil sa'yo. Cheryl Gakusan, you can join my FB group for support. Yes, Cheryl Gakusan, Ma'am Cheryl Gakusan, iniimbitahan ka ni Nourish by Music na sumali sa aming grupo and sana makasama ka sa aming group. FB group, only YouTubers, legit YouTubers only. Thank you so much. And sana maka-join ka, mag-join ka. Makasali ba? Salamat, Ma'am Cheryl Gakusan. Nourish by Music. You can't understand Tagalog. Hindi siya masyadong makaintindi talaga ng Tagalog. Ma'am Cheryl. Konti lang. Magtatanong siya kung ano yung Tagalog nun. Yan. Konti lang yung naintindi. Yung mga basic lang like, salamat, thank you, ganun. Alam niya yun. Talaga, yan. Yung alam niya yan. Mga basic lang na tubig, yan, water. Pero kapag gagamit na ng sentence, mahirap din. Mahirap din. Pero mas mahirap yung salita nila pag-aralan kaysa sa Tagalog. Sure. Ayan. Thank you so much, Ma'am Cheryl. Yes. Ma'am Cheryl. No, just basic, very basic. Yes, very basic. Nag-uumpisa talaga, it's okay. Nag-uumpisa naman talaga sa basic, ayan. Ayan, thank you so much, Ma'am Cheryl, and yan na, ano ka na namin, ka-teamwork ka na namin. Yan, thank you so much. Ingatan mo siya. And wait, I want to share, but I don't know how to copy the link on laptop. We share our latest video there. YouTube's, yes. Yes, pwede tayong mag-share ng videos doon and invite kapag mayroon tayong ano, and we talk about our YT world. From the land of the rising sun. From the land of rising sun, yes. Philippines, proud to be a Filipina. Proud to be Filipino. Yes. Yes. Pinagmamalaki natin yung ating pagiging Pilipino. Yes, salamat po sa mga ano, music lover, Philippines, music lover. Yan. Kahit hindi tayong love ng music, basta yung music love natin, kagaya ko, good connection. Yes, good connection. Nourished by music. Salamat po, Ma'am Cheryl Gakusan. Ah, nasa Hong Kong ka ngayon, Ma'am Cheryl? I love. Nasa Hong Kong ka ngayon, ma'am? Parang sinisingit mo yung pagiging YouTubers habang nagtatrabaho ka diyan sa Hong Kong. Karamihan ng YouTubers ngayon mga OFW. Music makes everything possible. I love music, yes. Yes. Kapag love natin yung music, depende sa mood natin, malungkot, masaya, kahit ano. Ano talaga yung music sa atin, nagbibigay ng ano, ng motivation din. Yes, ma'am, tokayo. Ah, God bless sa'yo diyan, Sisi, and ingat ka diyan sa Hong Kong, and wish ko hindi lang sa'yo at na maging successful tayo sa kung ano man yung tinatahak natin ngayon, kung ano man yung journey, kung ano man yung journey na pinili natin ngayon. So, sana maging successful man, maging masaya. Ang importante din, hindi lang na maging successful, kundi maging masaya din. Sorry. True. Yes, ma'am, tokayo. True. Can at sorry. What? Can I sorry? Ano daw? Ingat ka diyan, and ang hirap ng ano, buhay OFW. Yung kapatid ko, sobrang napa-proud ako sa mga OFW, yung homesick, malayo sa pamilya, yung alam mo yun, yung kahit nasa Manila ka lang, yung yung lungkot na pinagdadaanan sobra-sobra na, ano pa kaya yung nasa labas ng bansa ka na ano lang, na kahit isang kapamilya mo, hindi mo man lang masilayan, wala kang makausap na pagsabihan ng problema, and karamihan ng problema pa is ano, financial, and ang hirap ng 'pag nasa abroad 'di ba, iniisip na marami kang pera, ayan, puro pera agad. I think, thanks Cheryl Gakusan for your support. Yes, thanks so much Ma'am Cheryl Gakusan sa suporta na na napag-join mo sa amin, and, um, part ka na ng aming group. Thank you so much. Just enjoy life, stay for the future. And yes, sisi, enjoy life talaga. Yun na lang talaga na, and think positive, and yun lang, kung ano lang yung mga negative na nangyayari sa atin, motivation lang para maging, ano pa, mag-improve pa and mapabuti pa yung ating buhay, ayun. So, yung mga pinagdaanan, lesson learned na din para mas mapabuti pa yung ating mga ginagawa, ayun. Thank you so much for the thumbs up. Sa thumbs up niyo guys, sa pag-stay. Thank you, salamat po sa aking 4 million viewers. Any music in my video can be used. Yes, Nourished by Music channel. Ah, ang channel niya ay puwedeng free copyright free music. So, puwede niyong gamitin sa pag-vlog. Talaga, wawa. Yes, totoo 'yan. And monetize na siya ngayon, monetize niya sa kailan ba 'yun? Sa isang video niya, yung isang popular video niya, may claim, na-claim yung isang music niya, yung mga 30 minutes na video niya. May isang, music dun na may nag-claim ng ano niya, ng video niya, and ngayon ang happy-happy namin ngayon kasi monetize na siya. So, salamat talaga. Sa lahat ng video niya, na music video ni Nourish by Music, lahat ng music niya is copyright free music. So, kaya naman monetize na siya, and walang nag-claim na video niya, and so certified, YouTuber si Nourish by Music. And hello Ma'am Michelle Italia, salamat po sa pagpunta Ma'am Michelle. Ayan ang aming butihing madam. Ang aming butihing punta. Salamat po Ma'am Michelle. Ang aming ano niyan, admin. One of admin sa grupo. Kaya naman, tingnan mo naman ang kanyang bahay, and successful. One of successful YouTubers din na new beginning kagaya ni Nourish by Music. Ayan, sila yung mga huwaran. Musta ka na host? Can you please make a video explain join button? Musta ka na host? Okay naman. Feel beautiful pa rin, Ma'am Michelle. Feeling beautiful. Ano lang, fight lang para sa goal. Ayan, kaya kailangan ng work hard para sa goal. And salamat sa patamsak, patambay sa padaan. Maraming salamat po. Okay, Nourish. Okay, what is a join button? Join button. I think join button kung pwede ka mag super chat. Maybe. Nagbibigay ka ng super chat. Siguro gano'n. Hindi talaga. You need to activate your join button membership. Yes, ayan. Nourished by Music. You need to activate your join button membership. Thank you, Michelle, Italia. I didn't find in or- in order for your get members. In order for your get members. Hello, hello. It's me, Ronel. Thank you so much sa patamsak mo and sa padaan. Salamat, salamat sa pagpunta. It's me, Ronel. Salamat po. I have an idea where this button is. No, I have no, I have no idea. Wait. Ayan, ayan. Na-mute ko lang saglit kasi ano, follow the instruction there. Oh, in Google Chrome. Salamat. It's me, Ronel. Hello from Nourish by Music. Ngayon lang napadaan kasi naging busy Oo nga, mga busy din kami. Busy din talaga na ano, work mode talaga. Naintindihan ko naman yun, it's me, Ronel, and masaklap na lang ngayon kasi tuloy-tuloy ang lagas. Lagasan. Okay, then click dollar sign. Okay, then click the dollar sign. Ayan, so para yan siguro sa mga monetized channel. Kagaya nila ni Ma'am Michelle and Nourished by Music. You see members, click that one. Okay. So hope it's Mironel you can connect Michelle Italia. Is she's a supportive friend. Yes, on the way, Ronel. Ayan na, papunta na si Ma'am Michelle Italia sa'yo, Ronel. And then, no dollar. I have euro sign. Kaya naman, that's why you didn't find because no dollar sign. You have a euro sign. Euro. No dollar sign, but euro sign. In analytics on YT. Kalok. Michelle Italia, baba po kayo bahay nyo. Michelle Italia, you can drop your link. You'll wait. Nabigyan na baga kita ng ano, ng jacket. Tamsak, Dan Holes, Harang, Dan, Harang, Harang. Salamat. Hello, Papa Card. Sana. Salamat sa pagpunta. I will join. Ayan, sila talaga mga monetized channel. And ayan, si Papa Cards. Si Sir na ngayon. Sir Papa Cards, Imam Michelle Italia, and Nourished by Music. And they are a monetized channel. Kaya naman kahit na monetize na sila, supportive pa rin. So hope you guys, Sir, it's me, Ronel, and lablabin mo po si Sir
Papa Cards and Ma'am Michelle Italia, and napaka-supportive nila, and doon ako nag-grow sa kanilang channel, and also of course, Nourished by Music. And hope Ma'am Cheryl Gakusan nami-mute ko kasi yung bibi umiiyak. Sorry, bawal kasing umiyak. Host, binata mo muna benta mo muna bahay ko. Turuan ko lang silab mo. Sige, sige, sige. Sige po. Benta mo muna bahay ko, turuan ko muna silab mo. Gano'n. Pasensya na ngayon na lang ulit nakadalaw, Papa Cards, eh, okey lang, alam ko naman na busy ka, alam ko naman na super, super busy ka, alam mo yun, napaka-hard work talaga ng Papa Cards, 'yan, si Papa Cards. Kaya naman binibigyan ng mga hardworking, ayan. Dan at Michelle Italia, and iyan si It's me Ronel, sana lablabin mo po si Sir Papa Cards, and he's also a monetized channel, and yan, napaka-legit po niyan and napaka-legit na napakakuwela pa. Ang saya, ang saya nilang katropa sa sobra. Ayan, sana yan nag-drop na si It's me Ronel ng link, and thank you so much. Work mood pa, ayan. Oo nga, naalala ko naka-work mode, nasa trabaho pa kayo ngayon, and mamaya pa yung labas niyo. Ano po, Sir Papa Cards na Sir Papa Cards na talaga. Ano po, God bless po and more blessings sa family mo, sa mga kiddos. Ayan, si Papa Kuwela, congrats kay Papa Kuwela, may baby Kuwela na siya, baby girl. Ayan, thank you so much sa patamsak niyo sa padaan. Maraming salamat. It's me, Ronel. Salamat sa pagpunta po. Dahil minahal mo ko. Tahimik. Hihingan ko ng pag-ibig ko. Oh my God. Sorry. Nawala ako. Naligaw. Sorry po. Laptop ba gamit mo, host? Hindi po, phone. Pero nasa laptop, magbaliktad. Naka-laptop may watch ano ko eh. Nanonood pa ako ng ibang naka-mute lang. Papa Cards, Dan. Ayan, Dan na po sa'yo si Etzmernel, Papa Cards. And sana po lablabin niyo po si Etzmernel. And bagong new beginning and supportive. Very, very supportive. Thank you so much, Etzmernel, sa laging pagpunta sa aking tahanan. Sorry. Nawala ako. Naligaw. Laptop ba gamit? I see dollar sign. Ayan na. I see dollar sign. At Papa Cards, good and you. Ayan na. Hello, friend, Nourish by Music. Pa-watch hour naman ako, host. Sure. Why not? PM kita. It's Mernel. PM mo ko. Basta mag-send ka sa akin ng message. And, yun. Para maano natin yung isa't isa. Let's grow each other, you know. Watch kita 5 hours. It's Mironel. And send ko sa'yo yung proof. Kasi nagpi-play din ako ng mga videos. So, yan. Gift ko na sa'yo. It's Mironel. Dikit na tayo. Dalaw ka din sa kubo ko. Ayan, dikit na daw sa'yo si Ma'am Cheryl Gakusan. It's Mironel. And sana bisitahin niyo daw po yung kanyang bahay. Salamat, host. On the way na ako. Cheryl Gakusan. Ayan. So, on the way na daw siya. Cheryl Gakusan si It's Mironel. So, ayan. Salamat po sa palab-love nyo sa isa't isa. And thank you so much sa pagbisita sa aking tahanan, yung mga monetized channel, Papa Cards, and Ma'am Michelle Italia, and Nourish by Music, mga monetized channel na po sila. And ayan naman, still supportive pa rin. And sana all. Thank you, I will do the same to you. Thank you so much, it's Meronel. Thank you so much. Ayan, so sa laptop kasi pwede mag-play ng multitask. Pwede mag-multitask. So, it's okay lang naman. Ayan. So, ayan. Salamat, it's Mironel sa support din. Sino ba naman talaga magtutulungan kundi tayo-tayo lang din. So, ayan. Thank you so much. Na-join button in France. No join button in France? Michelle, PM me, I don't find. Host, may dumikit ba sa akin? Ayan, si Ma'am Michelle Italia, napuntahan ka na po ni Etzmernel, and sana love-lovin nyo din po siya, and balikan nyo din po si Etzmernel. And Ma'am Cheryl Gakusan, and sana madikitan nyo po si Sir Papa Cards and Ma'am Michelle Italia. They are so monetized channel po. And napaka-supportive po nila. Supportive, a very legit friend. And lagi po silang nagbibigay ng suporta. And kahit na malaki naman yung bahay nila, ayan, hindi pa rin sila nakakalimot. Yung mga, yun, no? Yung mga attitude na paangat, yung paakyat. Hindi sila nakakalimot sa kanilang, yan, mga downlines. Sa mga followers, kasi followers nila ako. Ayan, doon kasi ako nag-start mag-grow. Ayan, sali-sali ako sa mga nila, LS. So, lalo na kay Ma'am Michelle na una, then Papa Cards, yan, si Papa Cards, napaka-kwela niyan. Sobrang saya. Matatawa kayo. Si Cheryl, link niyo po. Suklian kita. Salamat. I will join you at Michelle Italia. Ma'am Michelle, dikit na tayo. Ay, dikit na pala kayo ni Ma'am Michelle. Ma'am Cheryl Gakusan. It's on the way, Ma'am Cheryl. Dan at Cheryl Gakusan. Ayan, dan na daw sa'yo it's Mironel, Ma'am Cheryl Gakusan. And thank you so much. Yan. Salamat daw. It's Mironel from Ma'am Cheryl Gakusan. Ayan, salamat sa aking 6 million viewers and sa patamsak niyo guys. Maraming salamat po. Dahil minahal mo ko, di ka gawin karasaya. Ayan. Cheryl. Ma'am Michelle, salamat daw from Cheryl Gakusan. Ayan. Salamat daw from Cheryl to Michelle Michelle baliktad. From Cheryl Gakusan, salamat daw to Ma'am Michelle. Salamat. I-share kita ho sa community ko. Oh my God. Thank you so much, Ma'am Michelle. Salamat sa pa-share sa community. And oh my God, much appreciated po. Thank you so much. Bahay po ni Papa Cards Palapag, sir. Papa Cards, ayan na. Nasan ka na? Work mode kasi si Papa Cards. Kaya, nasa mamaya, maabutan niya pa yung LS ko. Pero, bisitahin niyo po ang kanyang bahay, si Papa Cards, and hindi po kayo babalik po siya. Sobrang work mode kasi niya. Lagi kasi siyang busy. Nasa work niya ngayon, tapos mamaya magsisingit siya ng time, babalik at babalik. Ayan, babalik. Kasi nasa trabaho si Papa Cards ngayon. So, lahat tayo busy. Ayan, busy. You can share her live stream, Sir Kevin. Yes, I did. Thank you so much for sharing my live streaming and salamat for the support. Salamat sa suporta. Sobrang salamat. Thank you so much. Hi everybody. Thank you. Okay, sis. Yes, I did. Okay, sis. Thank you so much, Mom Michelle Italia. Salamat sa suporta always. Nababasa ko yung nababasa ko yung sa Facebook. And thank you so much for my 7 million viewers and for the thumbs up. Salamat, salamat po guys. Sa patambay, sa padaan, sa pa-tune in nyo. Salamat po. Madilim ka dyan sis. Oo nga. Kailangan ko ng palight. Palight. Madilim nga. Hindi ako maka-LS pag umaga eh. Kasi maingay. Kailangan ko ng ah, tahimik na lugar para makapag-LS. Kaso nga lang yung connection din. MG Villan, tamsakdan Ate Cheryl. Salamat MG Villan sa pagbisita sa aking tahanan and thank you so much. And sana po MG Villan and sana mabisita niyo po ang tahanan ng ating panauhin na si Ma'am Michelle Italia. Ma'am Michelle Italia ay napaka-supportive po and very legit also, kagaya din natin, mga White World. Nourished by Music also, my partner sa YT. And Ronel, it's me Ronel and Ma'am Cheryl Gapusan. And sana malove niyo po each other. And Ma'am MG Villan, tamsakdan, thank you so much. Ma'am MG Villan. Madilim ang aking paligid kasi madilim dito, gabi na dito sa Pilipinas. So wala pang palight si host. Salamat sa patamsak, sa pa-tune in, sa padaan, sa patambay. Kung ko talaga. Maglagay ka ng kinky sa tabi. Kinky? Ano yun? Ano yung kinky? MG Bilan, hello. From Nourished by Music. Sana mabigyan kita ng jacket ngayon, MG Bilan. Wait. Wait. Kailangan kitang bigyan ng jacket. Saglit lang po Oh my God. Ayan, naglapag po si It's me Ronel ng bahay niya. Sana po dikitan niyo po si It's me Ronel, MG Bilan. It's me Ronel is also very supportive friend. Ayan, wait lang kasi para makabigay ako ng aking pa-jacket. May pa-jacket si host. Wait lang po. Ang hirap eh. May pa-jacket. So, ayan. MG Bilan, Nourished by Music. Hello, bro. MG Bilan, hello po. Hello, ayan. Kailangan ko ng wait lang po. Ayan, ayan. Shout out ganda MG. Ayan. From Michelle Italia. Ayan. Naglapag po si Mom Michelle and sana dikitan niyo po. Love niyo po si Mom and she's napaka-supportive po niya. Mom Michelle Italia. MG Villan and thank you so much sa patambay sa pagpunta sa aking LS. And napunta rin po ako sa iyong LS. Napapadaan ako lagi. Oh my God. Oh. Bakas ka lang. Ayun. Gift given. Gift given from Nourished by Music. And bakas ka lang ng kalang at MG. Blan at balikan kita agad. I am from Edsmernel. Yan, babalikan po talaga kayo ng Edsmernel, Ma'am MG Villan, and no worries po. No worries, lahat naman po dito lahat po kayo subok na masasabi kong true friend, a legit and honest friend. MG Villan, Nourish by Music, Michelle Italia, and Papa Cards, of course. It's me, Ronel. Cheryl Gakusan, ayan. Napaka-legit, supportive friend. Cheryl Gakusan, thank you. I will watch your video now. From Nourish by Music. Yes. Yes. And sana mabigyan kita at Michelle Italia, dating dikit na po pala ako sa'yo. Na-play ko na lang po ang harang nyo. Hihi. From MG Villan. Ma'am Cheryl Gakusan, MG Villan, baba ka ng link mo. Wait. Nourish by Music. Hope I can give them the jacket. I need help. I need help. I need your help. Nourish by Music. Dan on MG Milan. Nourish by Music. Please drop your link. I will visit your home, bro. Dan at MG Milan. From It's Mirinel. Yes. Thank you so much sa pag-tune in. Ayan, magmahalan po kayo guys. Tuloy-tuloy lang ang pag-akab sa ayan, nagbaba po ng link si Nourish by Music. Chill. Nagulo ko si aking Jacket who? For MG Villan. Jacket for MG Villan. Jacket given to all. Okay. Yes. Thanks sa pa-jacket from host. I'm coming. I'm coming. Ayan. Solo layout. Sa'yo minahal mo ako. I'm coming. 1 minute. 1 minute. I am coming 1 minute. Hey, Chase. Wait. Chance. Chechen Media. Hello. Hi po. Hi. Chechens Media, welcome to my LS. Salamat po sa padaan. Salamat po sa pagdalaw sa aking LS. And I will give you the jacket. Tamsak dan host. Nakadikit na rin. Salamat po. Salamat. Salamat sa padikit. Thank you so much. I will give the jacket Chance Media. Hindi ko alam kung paano bigkasin, pero sana magustuhan nyo ang aking pagka-pronounce ng yung pangalan ng yung channel. Tamsak Tanus, dikit na rin. Chance, I hope I will give you the jacket. Bakit hope? Ako naman talaga magbibigay. Ako yung host ni Edstatic. Wow, yung ano, napakagandang ano, dilag doon. Wow, salamat sa pagpunta, ma'am. Oh my God. Kaya ito po yung ano nyo, yung main account nyo, ma'am. Ah, hello, partner, Norse by Music. I need your help. Can you give, ano, ka-jacket naman? Oh, wait lang. Jacket given. Chai Chai Media. Salamat. Salamat sa pa-jacket. Ayan, may jacket ka na po. Chen Chen's Media. Salamat po sa pagpunta. And you can drop your link para mabisita ka po nila. From Chai Chen's Media, Hi at Norwich by Music. I visited your channels already. Salamat po. Salamat po sa pagbisita. And salamat sa nabubulol na. Salamat po sa mga pabisita, padaan sa Patamsak, and thank you so much. Po, this is my main account. Okay. And puntahan po kita after ano po, after this. Pagkatapos po ng work mode muna si host. Babalikan ka po namin. Bali dalawa kasi ako eh, kasi dalawa account ko. So ayan. I give you a jacket. Did it work? Yeah, meron na siyang jacket, I think. Salamat. Salamat sa aking partner sa pa-jacket. Thanks for the jacket. Ma'am, Shai's Chance Media. Sana po dikitan niyo po sila Ma'am Michelle Italia. And napaka-supportive po nila si MG Bilan. It's Marinel. Yan. Very legit. And si Ma'am Cheryl Gakusan. Napaka-supportive po nila. Lahat po ng napunta dito sa aking ano, napaka ano din po nila. Supportive po. Supportive, good friends, legit friends, legit YouTubers, kagaya natin. Wala naman, no issue when given a jacket, no issue bro, bro, no issue partner, wala naman. So ayan, thank you so much for my 7 million viewers. Always think positive lang, fight for the goal, you know. Michelle from Michelle Italia Chechens. Hello, Mimji Vlad. Cheryl Gakusan, I will pay you back later, Sisi. Yes. Painitin mo na konti and bago bumalik para pasok ng pasok talaga. Kasi uso ngayon yung lagasan. So, ayun. Michelle Italia, drop her link. Nourished by Music, MG Villan, thank you, I will watch. Yes, still watching si Nourished by Music. Still watching? Tapos na pala. Oh, watch. Already. Sorry. And thank you so much for my 5 million viewers and sa patamsak guys, sa padaan, sa pabisita. Salamat po. Nabisa lagi ako. Yes. Um, Michelle Italian. Love lots, love lots. I give jacket to change media, but not working. It seems. I think it's working. I think it's working. At Cheryl Gakusan from MG Villan, Gakusan Dan po, walang bakas. Naka-off comments ang birthday celebrate ni Cyril. Naka-off yung comment section ng birthday celebration ni Cyril. Haha. Yeah. Baka nakalimutan lang on. Kasi naka-off. Minsan ganyan ako, nakakalimutan lang. So, thank you so much for my 4 million viewers and sa patamsak, padaan, padaan, patambay. Thank you po. It's been a long life journey. It's my life. Alam kong mayroon ng iba sa kilos mo'y nagdarama. Naagaw kang Nasa channel. I give you a banana. Jai Chance Media from Nourish by Music. I give you a banana. So sana natanggap mo yung pabanana ni Nourish by Music. Ayan, may pabanana si Nourish by Music. Sometimes. Ayan. At Chai Chen's Media at Michelle Italia Dan Full Pack yun. Salamat. Ayan po from Chai Chen's Media to Ma'am Michelle Italia. Dan na po sa'yo si Chai Chen's Media and full package. Sana mabalikan niyo po si Ma'am Chai Chen's Media and napaka ganda ng babaeng to and sexy, hot, ganon. Ang ganda niya kasi kanina parang sobrang gusto ko yung mga babaeng ganyang katawan. Sana ganyan din ako. Where is the course? Busy si course. The course is busy. She's already monetized now, but soon she will visit. Maybe she need to rest because work hard. You see Mahal not working jacket. Wait, I will. I don't know. Little Flom. Hello, mom. Hi all. Hello, mom. Oh my God, si mom. Thank you. I'm done with you too. Promise Chai Chen's Media. Hello everyone and to my mom. My mom, inangkin ano? I'm happy. Ang happy ko. Hala, salamat ma'am. Mataba po ako. Hindi ka mataba. Ano ba? Ganyan ang mga sexy. Hindi yun ano. Ganyan yung mga sexy na sexy body. Ang ganda ng ano. Gusto ko yung mga ganong katawan. Siguro iba-iba tayo ng ano 'no, ng pananaw sa pagiging, maganda ng ano, yung shape ng body. Pero yung mga ganda ng hubog ng katawan, yun talaga ang masasabing sexy kaysa sa payatot. Napat napatawa si Mahal. Hala. Thank you so much for my 5 million viewers and for the thumbs up and sa padaan niyo, sa patambay. Salamat po. Maraming salamat. Salamat kahit busy, ano, may time pa din. Oh my God. Hello, Flor. Hi, mom. Hello, Flor. Hello, mom. Thank you so much for watching my LS and for the thumbs up. I know you already did. Thank you so much, mom. Yay. Sorry, dark. May background. Sorry sa pa-background niyo. Madilim. Madilim. Kailangan may pa-light si host para makita ang aking kaanyuan. Ayan, ayan. Ay, wait. Hanapang. Ano yun? Hampas lupang patay gutom? Bakit gano'n? Naalala ko yung ano, nagtatrabaho pa ako. "Oh, tara na, kakain ng mga hampas lupa," mga gano'n. Tapos may patay gutom pa, hampas lupa. Grabe naman, makalait 'no? Yung channel talaga. Hi, follows up na. Hello, natawa ako dun sa sa ano, sa hampas lupang patay gutom. Bakit gano'n? Bakit? It really hurts. Ay naku. Hi, follows up na. Hello, follows up na. Thanks so much for visiting again my LS and thank you so much. Oh my God. Bakit naman hampas lupang patay gutom? Bakit yan ang naisip mo? Ang weird. Kakaiba ah. Hihihi. Amer. Bakit pantay hampas lupang ano? Nakaloka, kaloka talaga. Bakit gano'n? Hampas lupang patay gutom. Nakakaloka ka. Ay, ay, ay. Salamat. What a great LS. So much love from Nourish Free Music. Lilo Plan. Pampas lupang patay gutom. Don Amer, hello, hello, Don Amer, our new visitor here, Don Amer, hello, hello. And sis, thank you so much for visiting my LS, and I will give the jacket, Hampas Lupang Patay Gutom, and you can drop your link. And sorry for the chicken background music, chicken. And Don Amer, ayan, I will give the jacket. And hope you drop your link. You can drop your link for oh my god, so many people tonight. Hi. Yes, yes, I'm happy that they're visiting me. Okay, today here in France, autumn starts. Ah, wow. Sana all may pa-autumn. Dito may paulan. May paulan, may painit. Umuulan, umiinit sa Pilipinas. Hampas lupang patay gutom for me, simple person. Yes. Siguro sa pagiging simple person, hindi naman yung hampas lupang patay gutom, hindi na yun siya ano, parang na-judge mo na yung ano, yung kagaya natin. In-accept yung patay gutom, eh, 'no. Hampas lupa. Naalala ko yung nagtatrabaho ako, tinatawag ko, "Ay, magsikain yung mga patay gutom, yung mga hampas lupang patay gutom." Isang tao yung nagtatawag ng gano'n, yung naalala ko siya. Yung I hope everyone is okay from Nourish by Music. Nourish by Music, Charlie jacket is not working. Issue. Oh, oh, so sad. Why? Maybe I need to, ano, it's me. Yes. But it's working from, ano, it's working from Chay Chan's. Chay. It's working. You should- That's nice. The chicken from behind you, yes. From behind me. Hello, chicken. Maybe I disturb them. Maybe I disturb chickens while sleeping. I thought the chicken are in the living room. No. I'm near the outside. Here is ano, somewhere in the backyard. I'm somewhere in the backyard because I need the ano peace, peace, but no space, peace. Oh, I don't see the jacket. I don't see jacket. Jacket, it's working. Yes, issue about the jacket. Oh, hampas lupang patay gutom for me. Sana, wag naman ganun. Patay gutom talaga. Wag. Naalala ko yung ano, nagtatrabaho ako. Oh, break time na kasi. I forgot what jacket means. Jacket means being a moderator. That's why. Hampas lupa. It's a the chicken is giving you company. Yes. The chicken wants to join me because I disturb them sleeping. Oh my god. Dark here. Okay. Hampas lupa. Patay gutom. Hampas lupang patay gutom. If you have a jacket, you are allowed to drop your link and moderate. Yes, that's why. Maybe ano, hampas lupang patay gutom, siguro, kaumpisa mo pa lang so or may pa-jacket kailangan magpa-jacket din kasi kapag nilalamig, alam mo na malamig na ngayon kailangan may pa-jacket na. So, sana hindi kasi ako maka-connect sa isa kong ano. So, ayan, thank you so much for my 6 million viewers. 6 million talaga. Thanks for that info. Yes, always welcome. Ay ganyan din ako nung una pa lang. Hindi ko alam yung ano yung mga pa-jacket, yung banana, yung mga may mga call sign na gano'n. Hindi ko alam. May mga pa-banana sila na nalalaman. May pa-banana, may pa-jacket, may pa-ano pa sila. Marami silang tinatawag yung gano'n, eh. Thanks, follow Safna, that's awesome, nourished by music, and namaste. Namaste. Pampaslupang patay gutom. Nourished by music, to hampaslupang patay gutom, you can drop your link. Yes, we're not connected, I think. Yes, you can drop your link. Maybe you drop your link, Nourished by Music, and they will visit you. Yes. Oh my God. Naalala ko talaga yung hampas lupang patay gutom eh. Kasi alam mo yun, tinawag ka ng hampas lupa tapos may patay gutom pa. Ano sapul eh. Sapul sa amin talaga yun. Grabe ano yun. Thank you so much, Nourished by Music. Everyone who can drop your link. Anyone can drop your link here and connect each other. Spread the love. Let's connect. Yes. Thank you so much. We need 1 minute watch to keep it. 1 minute watch to keep it. Yes, kailangan na mapanood mo muna yung video ng 1 minute bago mag-subscribe, like, comment, and subscribe para hindi masayang si banana. Yan alam niyo na para hindi masayang yung banana, para hindi tayo malalagasan. Masakit kasi kapag nalalagasan. Masakit talaga, alam mo yun, nandun ka na pero iniiwan ka, ayan. Pero hindi naman nila sinasadya na umalis. Inaalis sila kasi hindi sila inaalis sila kasi hindi process. May new rules ngayon si YT, mahigpit ngayon si Lolo. Si Lolo. Mahigpit. Si Lolo YT. Ayan na. Napakarambol na. Paano kasi 11:06 na ng gabi. Kaya nakakabula. Anyone can join. Yes, anyone can join. This is our FB group. Ayan, nag-drop ng FB group at Nourished by Music. And so anyone can join our FB group. Ayan, sana link is drop FB group, our FB group, only YouTubers, legit YouTubers. Ayan. Hampas lupang patay gutom from Nourished by Music. Watch your song you sing. Yes, he's also a music lover. Wow. Filipino is all music lover. Yes, almost Filipino music lover. Halos karamihan. halos karamihan ng Philippine. Hampas Lupa, okay. I need to watch a vid first before you sub and like. Yes, tama po. Hampas Lupang Patay Gutom. Kahit 1 minute po bago po kayo mag-subscribe, ayun, kailangan panoorin ng 1 minute bago like, comment, and subscribe. Mapanood muna ng kahit na 1 minute lang. Kailangan maglaan ng time ng 1 minute para pasok na pasok talaga siya. Yes, I do it. Yes, from Nourish by Music. And that's the proper way for magdikitan. Kasi masyado na tayong na ni lolo, nahalata. Ang bilis. Kasi seconds lang kasi dati. Yung dating 10 seconds okay lang, at least ma-full yung matapos lang yung video. Pero ngayon, bagong na naman kasi nagkakalagasan, nagkakaiwanan. So, kailangan ng kahit na 1 minute, 1 minute na panonood bago mag-comment, like, and bago magdikitan, magbananahan. Magpabanana. Nakakatawa talaga kasi. 900 soon, yes. Yes. What's the goal? Yes. I already graduate grade 9, but nalagas it the left because of maybe I dropped the length just a second. So it's okay. Just need to work. Just work hard and push, more push for motivation. Maybe YT give motivate to hard work more. Pagbutihin pa, magsikap pa, pagsipagan mo pa, ganun. Omega lost mini bananas. Yes, mini lost. Mini lost bananas. So it's so sad. It's so sad for losing the bananas. And thank you so much. Thank you so much for the thumbs up and for my 4 million viewers. And much appreciated. Salamat sa pagpunta, sa patambay, sa padaan. Salamat sa patamsak mo, guys. Thank you so much. Dahil minahal mo ako. Stay positive lang para sa goal, okay lang. Kahit na nalalagasan talaga. Yes. Hampas Lupang Patay Gutom. Nourish by Music, sorry, but that's not me. It's my friend. I can sing but not so good as that. Um, ang hirap pag-English kasi. Nakakalusublig talaga. Yes. Totoo. Sige, hindi wait, pag di ko pa mabisita yung yung bahay mo, Hampas Lupang Patay Gutom. Sana palitan mo yan kasi parang ang sakit-sakit sa akin. Ayoko niyan. Kung sabagay, parang interesting yung mo, yung channel mo. So, sana lang walang judgmental na tao. Alam mo yun, yung kahit napakasimple pa rin natin na hindi pa rin tayo matatawag na gano'n. No one talaga. No one can judge. Walang sino man na mag-judge sa atin. Only God lang talaga. Kumbaga, who you. Katrabaho kasi ako no'n. Alam mo na, hindi naman kasi yung trabaho ko tapos may nagsasabi sa na, "Oy, mga pastupa, mga patay gutom, kakain na." Mga gano'n. Kaya naalala ko yung nagtatrabaho ako no'n kasi laging tinatawag yung call sign na 'yan. So, okey lang naman sana, kaso lang parang nakaka-degrade ba ng pagkatao. Yung ano, pero sana yung ano mo, nakaka-interesting yung channel mo para sa akin. So, sana join ka po sa FB group namin, Hampas Lupang Patay Gutom. Napaka-interesting po talaga ng channel name na yun. Ano yun sa'kin, memorable. By the way, host, pas pa-add sa GC. Yes, on Orange by Music, you can add Hampas Lupang Patay Gutom. You can add him our group chat if you can. Sorry. Oh, wait. Ano ba yung ano mo, yung add mo ko sa ano, sa Facebook ko. Same ano, same name, Cheryl. Oh, din add kita sa GC namin. Din sa FB group, add din ka namin. Oo, tama yan, host. Hampas Lupang Patay Gutom. It's okay, you're so kind to share it. Yes, you're right. At Nourish by Music. It's you're right. It's yung ano, siguro yung channel mo, ah, more sana ano, more lesson sa mga katulad natin na simple lang. Simple lang pero na hindi tayo nade-degrade dahil wala tayong narating or something ano, siguro yung pagiging simple ko kasi ano, mababa pa dun. So no one talaga, walang sino man kasi walang nakakaalam sa pinagdadaanan natin. Sorry host, for that matter, I'm not intended for that. Okay lang. It's okay lang ano, hampas lupang patay gutom. No worries, okay lang. And ano pa, are you a Filipino or a Tagalog? So where are you now? Hampas lupang patay gutom. Baka mamaya ano ka pala, rich ka pala tapos ano, follows up na, let me just join the Facebook and come back. Yes. Follows up na, yes, you can join our FB group. Everyone welcome to join our FB group, everyone. And you're welcome, follows up na. You are welcome, our FB group. Because you're so kind and so good, supportive. I wonder why, if you are a woman again and or a boy. Follows up na. You didn't I tell me if you are a boy, but just maybe you're a woman or a man. Yes, it's okay lang. Hampas lupang ano, hampas lupang patay gutom. Ang weird talaga. Kasi ang weird na yan. It's been a long while. Wait. Yes. Okay. So, kailangan magtrabaho ng bongga para sa goal. Hmm. It's been a baby. Done for follow. Yes, from Hampas Lupang Patay Gutom. Done to you for follow Sapna, to follow Sapna. See, down to you. Follow Sapna. Hampas Lupang Patay Gutom. Down to you. And hope you uh, give, hope you love him. And, ayan, follow Sapna, yes. Hi, Kodam. I thought, tell me when you requested. We have We have 17 members. Hampas Lupang Patay Gutom. Dan for following at Follow Sapna. Nourish by Music. Tell me when you requested. From Nourish by Music. From Follow Sapna. I couldn't join through the link. It's asking for a sign in. Sign in. It's asking. Hampas Lupang Patay Gutom. Follow Sapna. Nourish by Music. Follow Sapna or sign in of B. Asking for sign in, it's not automatic, ano, from follow Sapna, but I tried by typing it and I think I am missing the last few words. Oh my god. Have signing in. Hampas Lupang Patay Gutom. I'm here. Yes. Thank you so much for tuning in. Hampas Lupang Patay Gutom. Thank you so much. Follow Sapna. YH. YH. Nourish by Music. If I find your FB, I can add you. Yes. Yes. Follow Sapna. I think if FB also follow Sapna. Also her Instagram, I think. I remember when she said that before. Sure. Follow Sapna, sure. Yes, when she said. Pahampas Lupang Patay Gutom. Nourished by Music. It not yet given jacket for Hampas Lupang Patay Gutom. Maybe your Hampas Lupang Patay Gutom, you're rich. Maybe. Wait, I need to even search. Hampas Lupang Patay Gutom. It's interesting, call channel name.
Done. Oh yes, maybe PM on IG. Yes, you can connect on IG also and Facebook. You can share. Hampas lupang patay gutom. Done. Done. Done for. So I visiting your channel, Hampas Lupang Patay Gutom. So maybe you are in the middle of the class. In the middle of the maybe you are rich. I wonder who you are. Maybe you are rich, not like us. And that's the way it on. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Hampas Lupang Patay. Oh, I see. Ano kita, dikitan po kita ano, sa isa kong account, Hampas Lupang Patay Gutom. Nagkaya yan, kinain si Tito, Rex Guto ang sarap. Des, watching your video, Hampas Lupang Patay Gutom. So, ayan, ayan.
Oy, Apple. Yeah. Apple. Oh, ano? O, tara na, kain na. Kain ka ba? Ng alin?
Ayan, watching.
Ano kakainin mo, Apple? Toto?
Ramen.
Ano pangalan niyan? Toto Hell?
Hampas Lupang
Sige nga,
Patay
totoo lang.
Gutom.
Pag-taste test ka, bili. Ano masasabi mo sa itsura? Masarap naman siya. Tapos, hindi ko na-try. Pero yung Marinduque, masarap. Subukan mo muna yan. Sige na, kain ka na. Huwag na, ayaw. Grabe, may parang ganun pa pala. Para nakablog, gano'n.
Ayan. Watching your channel, your video. Nagkaya yan, kinain si Tito. Rex Guto. Ayan, ayan. Nanonood ako. I approve. Good. Someone good.
Sige na, nag-happy ako.
Approve. Yes.
Ano? Sarap? Sarap? Sarap ba? Nakatutok talaga? Huwag naman. Sige na, kain na. Sumubukan ka na. Sumubukan naman na kayo. May ganon.
Ayan po.
Pinutok talaga ako. Oh, yes. Pero ang sarap. Sarap. Iyayin mo naman sila kung diba? Nandito kayo siya sa punta kayo sa dito. Direct. Sarap. Sa yung Goto Marinduque. Sarap. So, ano na? Alam na.
Ayan. Ayan. Hampas Lupang Patay Gutom. Nadikitan na po kita. Sa aking isang account. From, Cheryl OX. Someone joined our group. I approve. Be careful, no copyright in the video. Yes. Okay, yes. Yes, I will be careful. Sorry. Be careful, no copyright in the video. Yes. No copyright. Hi, I'm here. Yes. Thank you, Paulo Sapna. You're here again. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much. Dahil minahal mo ako. Welcome, Hampas Lupang Patay Gutom. Yes. Walang anuman. Welcome po. Hope it's the right one. Yes, it's the right one. I hope. It's okay, Cheryl. I have shared my Facebook link. Thank you so much. Follow Sapna. Thank you so much. Uh, for for always here and for support on Nourish by Music. Yes, thank you so much, Follow Sapna. And for our friends here, thank you for visiting my LS. Thank you so much. I don't know what is that IG. IG means Instagram. Instagram and that meaning of IG. The meaning of IG. Instagram. That's an IG. So yun. Oh, okay, I get you. Yes. I'm like that before. I don't know what that means IG when I using social media. Now I know what that means IG. I'm late discovered about social media. What you mean? Deleted? Yes. IG. It's been a long while. Ikaw pa rin ang baby ko, ang baby ko. Puso ko, ko. Hampas Lupang Patay Gutom, Dan host. Thank you so much sa padikit sa akin. Maraming salamat po sa aking ah, bisita, Hampas Lupang Patay Gutom. Thank you so much. Where is your link? At follows up na. Yes. Where is your link? You can drop your link. Follows up na. I will follow you back at Nourish by Music. Follow back on IG. You can send her if you prepare. Yes. You can send your music video. Follow Sapna is also a music lover. I visit her channel and this content is almost a music, all about music. Oh, same as Nourished by Music. So they both no copyright music, I think. Here is it, because FB is private. FB is private. Yeah, but we're legit here. Yes, we're legit. Legit. Yes, you're right. Yes.
You're right, Nourish by Music. Love lots, guys. And thank you so much for my 5 million viewers and for the thumbs up. Thank you so much for visiting my LS. Follows up na. Happy. Oh my god. Yes, some people can from Nourish by Music. Some people can't send their FB here because they're worried. They're worried. Yeah, because it's personal. Yes, it's a personal. I think maybe it's a personal. Mm, what's we call this? Third party. Ikaw pa rin ang baby ko. A word if anyone adds them. A word if anyone adds them. It's okay. Um, maybe. From Hampas Lupang Patay Gutom at Nourish by Music, done for Banana and Tamsak. Ayan, from Hampas Lupang Patay Gutom to Nourish by Music, done to you from Hampas Lupang Patay Gutom. Ayan, sana suklian and hope you love love him back. Nourish by Music, Hampas Lupang Patay Gutom. He gave you a I have shared my FB link. Hope you got it. Oh, yes. Yes. Ikaw pa rin ang baby ko. Follows up na. Oh, where? Bakit ganun? I'm sorry. Nag, nag-freeze ako. Ang pangit. Sorry, I freeze. Lag, naghang. Sorry, guys. Oh my God. Sorry. Thank you so much for my 5 million viewers and stay tuned. Ayan. Sorry, naliligaw na ako. Sorry, nag-hahag si host. Ayan, ano pinag-usapan na? I have shared my FB link. Follow up na. I have shared. Follow up na. Where is your link? I will follow you back at Nourish My Music. You can send there if you prepare. Yes. Bakit nag-read back ako? From from Hampas Lupang Patay Gutom, done na daw sa'yo si Nourish by Music, done to you from Hampas Lupang Patay Gutom. Ayan. Instagram. I didn't see any link from Nourish by Music. Follows up na. From follows up na. Here is my Instagram link. Where? Where? Follows up na. From follows up na. Same as my YouTube name. Follows up na. Okay. Same as follows up na IG and FB. From Nourish by Music. What you make do it with yourself. From follows up na. I think the link is not going through. Nourish by Music from Nourish by Music. Follows up na. Yes, I followed you. Yes. Okay, good. From follows up na. From Nourish by Music. There are 3 follows up na on Instagram. From Nourish by Music. Hampas Lupang Patay Gutom. Thank you. Ayan. Thank you daw. From Nourish by Music. Thank you. From Nourish by Music to Hampas Lupang Patay Gutom. Thank you so much for the following and for the thumbs up. Thank you guys. I follow 3 follows up na name. 3 follows up na name. And I think follows up na need to drop her link. Send the link of her IG or FB to for sure if it's for her. Ano daw? Ano daw? I don't know what I'm saying. Ano daw? Yes. Thank you so much for my 4 million viewers and for the thumbs up, and thank you guys sa pagbisita sa akin and for tuning in. Thank you so much. From Nourish by Music, yes, if she wants. Or she maybe and it takes time. She will decide maybe I need to give her time to send the link. Hampas Lupang Patay Gutom. Yes, you have a jacket now. You always welcome Nourish by Music from Hampas Lupang Patay Gutom. You can drop your link. May jacket ka na. Bakit kasi yan ang pangalan mo? Hampas Lupang Patay Gutom talaga. Yes. Thank you so much for my 4 million viewers and for Tom Sakay host. Maraming salamat po. Ayan, nagbaba na po ng link si Hampas Lupang Patay Gutom. Thank you so much. Ikaw pa rin ang baby ko. Salamat sa patambay. And sa mga dumaan, thank you so much.
Thanks so much. Always welcome. No worries. Hampas lupang patay gutom. Walang anuman. I think naglalag ako. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa patambay niyo sa akin, sa panonood. Maraming salamat. And pasensya na, madilim ang paligid. Madilim talaga si host. Madilim. Ikaw pa rin ang liko. Antok. Good night guys. Tulog na ako. Salamat sa lahat. Yes. Oo. Almost at 12 AM na sa Pinas time. So, good night to you, hampas lupang patay gutom. Salamat sa pagbisita and sweet dreams po. And salamat. Salamat. And God bless us. Salamat sa pagtambay kay host. Salamat sa pagtambay sa aking LS. And so much appreciated po ng madami. I already feel hungry. Oh, yes. Oh, you need 8. 8 a lot. I think I feel hungry too. Nagselos. I have food here. So, from my brother. Called it Bicol recipe. Bicol recipe it's called. Ano ba tawag nito? I forgot. Wait. So, ayan, kakain. Nakain na kasi kailangan ng energy. ilang oras na? 9, 10, 11. O pa 3 hours almost. Ang LS. Let's eat. Eat a lot. Kain ng madami para sa sa goal. Or you ate before midnight? Yeah, midnight snack before sleep. And I feel hungry. And you need to eat too. We need to be healthy. Kumakain. Kumakain. Ha, eating alone by showing us not. That's not fair. I am just cooking. Sorry, I'm just feel hungry. Come on, let's eat, guys. Palusap na. Okay. It's okay. Enjoy. Thank you. Thank you so much. I need water. Wait. I will be the next letter. Yes. You will be the next letter. Huh? What? Come on, let's eat. I know.
Follows up na. Love breath. You see me eating in public. Oh my God. Oh my God. My neighbor is loud. Why? They fighting? Argue? Argue? Fighting? Sorry. Thank you so much for my 6 million viewers and for salamat po sa pag-stay sa aking LS. Salamat sa patambay sa inyo guys. Thank you so much sa patambay. Hungry po. Mom. Thank you so much, Mom. Oh my God. Mom. Thank you po. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Thank you, Mom. I enjoy my meal. Thank you so much sa patambay.
Bon appetite. 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 Someday. She's at work. Oh, oh my god. Maybe she watching my LS. Oh my god. Mom, I'm happy. She watching me. But oh my god. Wish I'm looking good. Even I'm not no makeup. Oh my god. I'm not prepared. Oh, well, soon I'll put makeup a little. I'm home alone still 1 hour and 30 minutes. Ow. Oh my god. Thank you so much for your support and for stay tuned. Thank you so much. Yan, madilim. Dapat hindi ako nag-wear ng ano, dark color. Nagduling-duling na ako. Naantok na. Nagaduling-duling na. Sorry, nawala. Nawala ako. Sorry. Sorry, guys.
I'm here. Dahil minahal mo ako at bigat naging para sa'yo, huhulihin ko hanggang pipigilin ng ulan. Dalawa talaga ako. Wala. Dahil minahal mo ako. Your sound is muted. 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 You eat together? Your mom? Afterward? Sana all. With dinner with mom. Your sound is muted. Oh my god. Thank you guys for my 6 million viewers and for the thumbs up, and thank you so much for tuning in, and maraming salamat po sa pag-stay sa aking tahanan. Maraming salamat guys, and thank you so much. Ayan. Salamat sa pag-stay so much. So much. Merci beaucoup. Maraming salamat. Thanks so much. Maayong daghang salamat. Daghang salamat. And the love for me. Darling, just dive right in and fall in love. Well, I found a boy, beautiful and sweet. Oh, I never knew you were that someone waiting for me. Napuwing. Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, fighting against all odds. I know it'd be alright this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I know. I'm looking too tired. Very nice song. Thank you so much, Apollo Sapna. Thank you so much. Nice song, but not the voice. I found the love. I found the man. Beautiful voice. Beautiful voice. I thank you so much, Mahal. No you, no you.
Know me? Thank you so much for my 6 million viewers and for joining in. Maraming salamat sa know your voice is very sweet. Oh, very sweet. Thank you so much. Follows up na. Very sweet. Like a candy. Like a chocolate. Like a candy. I have a I have an apple. Oh, you already now connecting friends on FB and IG at Bayan of Nourish by Music. Follows up na. What? Oh, I love why you smile. Love. And that's the reasons why. Um, a shout out to my mom, Little Fleur. Shout out to your mom. Please. My God. Thank you so much for my 5 million viewers and for the stay tuned. Nag-stay tuned pa rin. Kahit ano na, nantok na si Ho. Sorry po, sorry po. Sorry. And sorry madilim ang aking paligid. Kasi talagang madilim si host. Nabusog ako. Ikaw pa rin ang bibig ko. Ang bibig ko. Oceans above, day after day. And the lonely go insane. I hear your voice on the line, but it doesn't stay. Ano na? We see you next to never. How can we say forever? Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here with Sintonado na. Sintonado. Bukas na lang ako kakanta baka mamaya mulan. Whatever it takes. Oh my God. Ka-pimples na yan, oh. Puyat, puyat pa more. Pimple is life. Ayan. Ayan, pimples. Ayan, mga pimples. Puyat pa more. Ayan. Pimples. Mm. How can we say forever? Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, oh, how my heart breaks. Mm. Mona more Kevin, Tumamong, and Jitam, Jitam. I see you next to never. I see you wherever you go, whatever you do. I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, oh, how my heart breaks. Be right here. Oh my god, I miss you. I miss you. Sumumong, sumumong. I have one thumbs down. Oh, someone give thumbs down, yeah. I just maybe they don't like my voice when I sing. Namiss kita. Namiss din kita. I'm generous, ready, come join me. Yes, what is your dinner? Follow up na. When I sing, someone's thumbs down, maybe they don't like my voice. I'm sintonado. I'm hungry, that's for dinner. Sambar and rice. What's sambar? Sambar? It's a meat, fish, vegetable, and sambar. What's sambar? It's okay to not be okay. Charot. I see you next to me. Things for sambar. Yes, what's sambar? Maybe it's a meat, a fish, seafoods, vegetable, think, I see you next to me. Baka I stop singing because when I singing I have stumps down. Sorry. Oh my, maybe I disturbed them. Mm, it's an Indian dish with vegetable and dal. Dal? What's dal? Maybe it's dal? Barbie dal. Charot. Peace. Enjoy your both. Boil the vegetable separately and the dal also cook separately. The dal. That after that put onions, tomatoes, and ingredients and add everything together. I like salad. I think look like salad and it's called sambar and rice. Sambar and it's called sambar. Is lentils. Ah, yeah. Now I know. Nourished by music. He ate lentils. Lentils like beans. I'm yeah. Looks like that. Something like that. Mhm. Wait. If I see you never. Sonnet. to yes. Yes. Oh. So, ayan. Ito just. I see you next. Spread the, ano, spread the love. All I eat lentils. Yes, later you can check on Google. How does it looks? Herdal means right to housing. Dal here, I think dal like a Barbie doll. Here. Still live there. Can you say through it all judgment, judgment, through it all judgment in French words of lentils, Jewy, Jewy, zoological, lodgement, I don't know how to pronounce. I Barbie doll. Doll. Or dal means dali. Dali. Dali means hurry. Sorry guys sa connection. Oh my God, nag-loading si host. Sorry. Sorry, oh my God. Sorry guys for the connection problem. Just for connection problem. Sorry po. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Kau pa rin ang baby ko, ang baby ko. Namimiss kita. Thank you so much. Sorry guys, sorry po talaga. Sorry, marami. Oh my God. Oh, the screen is black. Enjoy your dinner and thank you for always being here and there. For always being here and there. Wait. Uh, sorry, leaving now. It's time for my favorites. Netflix. Show time while eating. You guys enjoy or come join me for dinner. Thank you so much. Follow up na. Thank you so much. Enjoy your watching movies, movie marathon with your maybe with your lovey and enjoy your show. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you later. Bye. Bye, follow up na and thank you so much for joining here and for tuning in. Thank you so much. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy watching movies. Yes, here and there. This channel and my channel, yes. This channel and my channel. Yeah, yeah. Nobody let me go, let me go. I'm going oh my God, get out. Enjoy. Thanks for tuning in. Thank you so much. Go. Fracture in the first trumpet. Okay, how to write this research proposal. I think I'm so in love with you. That test love kisses your lips and your lips. Okay. Antok na ako. What? I start cooking for me and my mom. She will be here in 1 hour. Oh, in 1 hour? She will be there in 1 hour. In 1 hour. And already 3 hours. Yeah, 3 hour LS. I ended this live at 1 a.m. here. So, uh, 20, uh, 22 minutes more. 50 minutes. 50 minutes? Huh? 50 minutes?
12, 9. So guys, thank you so much for watching my LS and for tuning in. And thank you so much guys sa pagbisita sa aking tahanan. Ayun. Sa pagbisita, sa pagsuporta, sa padaan, sa patamsak. Yun. So, maraming salamat. And may bumawi ng tamsak. Siguro gusto niya na tapos nagbago yung isip niya. Ay, hindi na lang. Binawi, no? Ay, may nagtamsak ulit. Baka na-press lang. Baka napindot lang. Aksidente. Yan nangyari. Alam. And thank also for 15 thumbs up and 1 thumbs down. Salamat sa pa-thumbs down mo. She comes here. 15 minutes. She comes here. There. Oh. Yes, she will join your banner. Your mom. Thank you so much for my 4 million viewers and for the thumbs up. And thank you so much guys for staying my LS. Sa pag-stay sa aking LS. Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Ayan. Nagpindot no? Ang arte. Salamat sa pagbisita sa aking tahanan. Yes. Ano yun? Che? Chili outside? Chili? Chili outside. I ended this live, guys. I ended this live and thank you so much for sa pagbisita sa aking tahanan and for the thumbs up. And thank you so much, guys. And I appreciate your support, my LS. And I'm happy my LS tonight. And thank you so much. And stay support my journey. Supportahan niyo po ang aking journey and stay connected. I love you guys. Spread love. Keep in touch and spread love. Thank you so much. Bye.